Let me tell you how I lost $18,000 on an options trade. I'm Jay Cole. I'm an investor, options trader, and Bitcoin strategist, and this is Wealth State. Story time. A few years ago, I was doing really well with my options trading, and I was like, man, it is time to take it to the big leagues. And I've been watching Tesla, and it was hitting all of my markers, and I went in. I had conviction around this trade. Oh, I was excited. It was around my birthday too. It was like everything was aligned for me to make this huge trade. So I put $26,000 on a 2-year call on Tesla. Within a few weeks, Tesla went in the opposite direction. It kept going down. I just knew that it was due for a bounce. And I know more now than ever that Tesla is very volatile. And I let my emotions get the best of me. And before I knew it, that $26,000 was $18,000. Before I knew it, that $18,000 turned into $10,000. And before I knew it, it had got all the way down to $6,000. Yeah. So with that, let me tell you some things I learned about options trading. Number one, first, you got to manage your risk. The first thing I would tell you is a stop loss. That would have took all of my emotion out of that trade. I was definitely not willing to lose $18,000. I think I wasn't even willing to lose $25,000 at that point. So easily a 10% stop loss would have saved me. I'd rather exit a trade too early than be in a trade too long. So number one is risk is a priority way above taking profit. You can always make another trade, but you can't get that money back. Number two, we've said this before, but you don't need to trade every day. Stay on the sidelines. That's fine. There will always be another opportunity to make another trade, to make another investment. The market goes up, but guess what? It always comes down. And with that, number three, cash is a position as well. Having money on the side, ready to deploy, ready for that opportunity, ready for that market dip is also a position. So never underestimate the power of having cash on the side. Much rather, again, be on the sideline than to make careless mistakes chasing a trade. Number four, losses are data, not failure, right? So I talked to you about that $18,000 I lost in that Tesla trade, but I learned a ton after that trade. It set me up for success much later. Although I was down over 80% in that trade, I've seen trades with over 300%. I've seen trades with over 1,000% return. So I'm so thankful for that lesson. And it was a hard lesson, but I'm thankful for it. Number five, I cannot emphasize this one enough. Discipline pays way more than wins. So now when I think about options, if I can't size it, I don't trade it. If it's outside of the realm of my risk strategy, it's not a trade for me. It also doesn't mean go and find a trade that meets your price target if it doesn't align to your thesis. All right, that's Wealth State. Tap in.